Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 15x and negative 15x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by 3. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by 5. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 41y, and the right sides combine to 123. Divide both sides by 41. That leaves y equals 3. Use y equals 3 in the first original equation. Replace y with 3. The remaining x term equals negative 10. Divide both sides by 5. X equals negative 2. The solution is x equals negative 2 and y equals 3. It makes both original equations true.